So one of the secrets to having a packed garage is finding materials to pack the garage with. Never been a problem for me. I like to go on, when the weather's nice, I like to go on bike rides on my mountain bike, and I'm riding on the side of the road, sidewalk, shoulders of the road, checking out the intersections, and picking up stuff that I find, nuts, bolts, screws, tools, etc., that I find on the side of the road. Kind of pick up the debris, hopefully save somebody from a flat tire, and in the process I do find a lot of stuff, a lot of interesting pieces to pick up. I'll take you out to the bike and show you a little bit more. So here's my trusty Steed, old Specialized mountain bike that I've had for probably 20 years. It's a good riding bike. I'm familiar with it. It handles most terrain pretty easily. So what I've got is a rack on the back mounted with a plastic bin that's bungee down so I can pick stuff up and drop it into that. Don't have to stuff it in my pockets. And then the most important part of or tool for my process is this piece of fishing pole that's a little bit over 3 feet long and has a series of rare earth magnets epoxy to the end of it. So if it's ferric metal containing iron, I can just swoop down with my stick and pick it up off the road pretty easily. So I ride with this in my right hand, left hand with my fingers on the brakes, and cruise down the shoulder of the road and pick up stuff. So I'm gonna go on a ride today and see what I can find. All geared up and starting the ride. We'll see how it goes today. Out on the road, things to be found.
Me do my two-step.
Premiumbeat.com.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm about halfway through my ride. Reached my typical turnaround point. My bin's about halfway full, and I've used up about half of my allotted time. So I'm going to turn it around here and head back to the house. We can go through what I picked up. Well, I'm back at the garage. Phone died along the way. When I was about a mile and a half away from home. So the last part of the video is missing, but here's what we came back with. I'll pour this out so we can get a better view of it. Well, here's everything spread out. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Got some lug nuts, some locks, some wheel weights, a bunch of screws, nails. I know there's some hex driver bits in there. And we'll have to sort it out and see what we got. So here's the final sort out. I got a bin full of stuff that's just scrap junk. Sorted steel. I've got a bin of smaller bits, screws, nails, nuts, bolts, you name it. Old lighter, busted up lock, and I got stuff that I'll probably end up keeping, pack the garage some more. So we got some wheel weights, particularly I keep the lead ones, the lug nuts, if they're salvageable, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, trailer hitch pins, hardware that's usable, and then of course a bunch of tools. I hit a little jackpot hole of 1/4-inch driver bits, just a whole bunch of them in there. I found pretty much all of them in one spot. And then the clevis pin and some straps and whatnot that may or may not be salvageable. So anyways, pretty good haul for the day.